Hi guys, Lorraine here. I am going to do a quick, what I'm going to call a float cup. And probably put a little bit of silicone in it. But I'm going to take some of my favorite colors. Let's see here. What do I have? What are my favorites? I have a violet. Try and use up some of the stuff I have left over here. I have a Master's Touch light magenta. I have an ultramarine. And let's throw some Naples yellow in there. See how it's starting to float? Put a couple of drops of silicone right on top there. I'll lift this a tiny bit and let it just kind of float down. Let's see, do I want to put any other colors in? I'm going to go back with some more of the light magenta. The violet. Violet's getting down to the end. We've got something stuck in the tip there. Just gonna let it float across the canvas. That one's getting pretty empty too. I actually think I have enough to do what I'm setting out to do. Just kind of let this float ever so slightly. Down to the other side. Give it a little bit more of the Naples yellow. Just for good measure, put some of the light magenta in. Right. Let that sit for a second or two. Get a torch, bring out some of the cells. Some really pretty ones down here where we began. Not much going on there. Now I'm going to move it around a little bit. Just give it a little bit of a rock. Cover some of the canvas. Turn it around. This just kind of fell right off the edge. See if I can stretch some of those smaller cells out a little bit. Over. Get the weight of the paint right here. So I'm going to bring it back a little. towards me. See if I can get it down some more. There we go. Try and get this paint back to the middle. Down a little bit. Don't really like this right here. I add some white to it. See what that does for me. Tilt it a little bit. Bring that down. This. Right there. See if we can get some cells coming up on this end. Not so much on the end like I was hoping. Yeah, a little bit more of a tilt. I want this to be round. See if I can guide it a little bit. Just kind of moving it around until I'm happy with the way it looks. Thinking I'm going to have a bit of negative space here, which I expected. I got some really pretty cells right here. Some very pretty ones here. I want more in here. So I'm going to try something. Just put a little bit of silicone on my fingers. Flick it in there and see if it'll bring up anything. I don't know that it'll do the same thing from the top down as it does from the bottom up, but it's worth a try. It's doing a little bit. Just a little bit. Let's see what happens if we warm it up. Cool. Not a big effect. Little effect. Little bit of an effect. Not a lot. Not entirely sure if that's exactly where I want to leave it. Get down a little. Some really nice lacing over here. Some of that right off the end. So I really don't like it that much. Back. like the little cells that are here. There's some of that violet along with the light magenta. Kind of stretched out that end again. And I'm going to leave it alone because I'm afraid that if I do much more to it, it's going to get completely out of sorts. Oh, that brought out some really cute little cells along the side. Okay. I think I'm going to leave it there. It looks really pretty. I'm happy. I'll bring the camera down so you can take a look. Okay, so here we go. Start over here. Not so much liking this side of it, but it's got some pretty neat cell action going on. Might have a little more pop up as it dries. Pretty cool over here. You can see right here, the last time that I gave it a little heat, those little tiny purple violet cells popped up. Some really cool cells going on there with a couple different colors in them. So there we go. There's the whole picture. Hope you liked my video. Please like, share, and make a comment if you'd like to. Appreciate it. Thanks for visiting. Bye.